Ding Junhui played an absolutely breathtaking safety shot. He kicked the red away while sending the cue ball on this beautiful arc, running 3 rails before tucking perfectly behind the black. Right off the bat, it was a tight, nasty snooker. Mark Allen, sitting right there, just made this over-the-top expression. But on the flip side, Ding didn't look happy at all, because he was still down by 7 points. To pull off the comeback, he needed to force 2 fouls. To make that happen, he had to bring out his full defensive mastery. And what followed was this jaw-dropping display of cue ball control. Allen's shot was at the wrong angle. Couldn't get out of it. Got hit with a 4-point penalty, and had to walk away empty-handed. Now if Ding could lay one more snooker that forces a foul, then clear the rest of the balls, he'd win by just 1 point. Let's see if he can handle the pressure and pull off the miracle. Ding's second shot. He tried to use the black and green to lay his snooker, but the weight was off and it didn't work out. Allen accidentally kicked the green right to the pocket opening, which meant the yellow could only go to the right corner pocket. Ding probably figured even if he got ahead on points, it'd be tough to keep the break going, so he decisively potted the red. Say, for these top players, tactical thinking sometimes matters even more than shot-making skills. He potted the black, and the cue ball screwed back to an absolutely perfect spot. That gap between the green and the pocket was the perfect place to lay his snooker. He was about to show off just how good his cue ball control really is. This is just ridiculous. While he kicked the yellow away, the cue ball tucked so precisely into that gap between the green and the pocket, playing off his wrong hand. Another jaw-dropping perfect snooker. Even Mark Allen couldn't help but slap the table in appreciation. Good thing he was still ahead on points. Otherwise, just this one shot would have put him on the back foot instantly. Allen's escape attempt was way offline. With those 2 snookers, Ding managed to claw back the deficit. You gotta say, the soul of snooker really is in the snookers. Since the cue ball didn't leave his opponent any openings, Ding had to keep playing safe and wait for his chance. As soon as he got even a slight opening, he could attack, clear the remaining balls and complete the comeback. Allen couldn't get the cue ball back, and he knew things weren't looking good. Where the cue ball landed, Ding could still use the green to lay another snooker. He knew full well Ding wasn't gonna miss this golden opportunity.